Okay, so
how does this work? Well,
well, basically what we show you here is that all the hard work we've done actually integrating Moab with HPCMU. So on the left there, you can actually see we're actually using the HPCMU dashboard to actually display the node information and what jobs are actually running on the node. The great feature about HPCMU is that you can actually look at different metrics on the node, run the job to actually tell you what load has actually been performing. A classic example of that is that on the right screen over here, we've actually got Moab submitting some jobs into the cluster. Okay, this is then being represented on CMU over here as to what is actually going on in the outside your cluster. So you as a CMU administrator, you can go through, you can actually have a look at it instantly, graphically, as to what is going on. Now, it doesn't just stop there. Here I'm showing you a really nice, pretty time view image. I can also show you like an instant view image where it's like a slice. Each segment you're seeing over here actually depicts a node, okay, and how high it spikes is telling you exactly what the load is on that actual node as well. Now, it does not just stop there. What we've actually done as well is that we've actually given you some options right at the very top. So you as administrator, at the click of a button, you can see exactly what is going on with Moab. You can see exactly what's going on in your queues. So you don't really have to know anything about Moab. You may be a CMU expert, but what we're giving you as an instant snapshot to more control as an administrator underneath your fingertips. So that's what we've done.
Oh, yeah. So in the past, how would they have gotten this would they have done a bunch of command line stuff and look at each, find the node, run a LStat or something, or what?
In the past, it was a battle. The CMU guys would go through, they clone the node, and they won't even know, they've got no idea about schedulers at all whatsoever. So the scheduler may be running the job on there, then all of a sudden they just power it off. Or the kind of node. What happens? Your job's gone.
It's gone.
It's gone. So what happens with this, the integration work we've done, is that if they want to power off a node, it'll ask Moab. And so Moab, I want to power off a node. Moab will say, I can't do it at the moment, because this node is actually running the job. Okay? Or they may say, I want to go through and clone a node to be something else. And Moab will say, I can clone 10% of the nodes that you've actually requested, but the other nodes that you've actually requested, I can't clone because they're actually running jobs. Now when those jobs finish, Moab will then take care of the cloning for you.
I see. And so, could this represent like different clusters at the same time and give you a big picture of like a whole data center?
You can get a picture of a whole data center as what's going on. Okay. When you actually get like thousands of actual nodes on your cluster, what CMU does is that CMU actually goes through and actually aggregates those slices. So here you've actually seen one node representation there. So you might actually get an average of, let's say, 3 or 4 nodes over there. You can drill down further to find out exactly what is going on that node. So you've actually got, as I say, the world is your oyster regarding that in that respect. So at the actual administrative fingertips, they can see, and they can do, and now they can actually interact with the cluster unbeknown to them as well. So they don't have to be an expert in Moab. All they have to know is that my cluster is actually performing this task. That is why it's actually busy.
Nice. And so where does the HP come into this? I mean, is that the software that's being orchestrated, or what?
The HP comes into it in the graphics here. So the actual HPCMU is HP's own tool, which is out in the market at the moment. But what we've done is that we work very closely with HP to integrate Moab, with HP, with the HPCMU. So we work very close as well with the team in Grenoble, to make sure that what we've actually done, will not break in the future. We've also worked very closely with them, actually making sure that our solution is a packageable solution. So it comes with an RPM or a tarball file, fully documented. So in one way, click a button and it's done, and it's there for you.
And Rob mentioned the one throat to choke. Now, you used to have to get this supported in all kinds of places. Now you can call Adaptive first line.
They call Adaptive first line. So that's the first line to actually work out what is going on with your system. Okay, but generally, HPCMU comes with his own support mechanism. Adaptive comes with his own support mechanism as well. But the administrator now, they will know that, hey, something's going wrong, and HP will then say, this is now Adaptive, and HP will then call Adaptive to sort it out. It's all part of the great big HP and Adaptive family.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Well, thanks for sharing that.
No worries.
Good.
Thanks.